We are at Silver Springs Park in Ocala, Florida today, and we haven't been here yet, so we're gonna check it out. If you're Googling things to do in Ocala, this will come up. There's been several movies filmed here. I've heard it's very nice, so we're gonna go see what it's like. Let's check it out. Here's where you pay. It's $2 a person to get in. So it's gonna be $4 for us, which really isn't bad for any of these state parks. And you don't have to pay to park. So here's a map you get at the front. We are currently like right here. So as you can see, there's a ton of stuff to do around here. So I don't really know which way we're gonna go. I guess up around this way. See what all there is to do. Also have these tours we're gonna try sometime of glass bottom boats. So you go out and the bottom of the boat is glass, so you can see everything going on during your cruise.
Fun fact about that is it's the oldest attraction in Florida, and it was started in 1870, the glass bottom boat.
So it's been around for a while.
A sheet of glass on a rowboat.
There's kayaks. We'll have to do that sometime. Check out how clear and blue this water is. You can even see right in there some fish swimming around. Fish jumping over there. But very clear and blue. There's some banana trees over there. There's another angle of how blue the water actually is. There's just fish everywhere. They keep jumping. They all... Right there, there. That just was another one that jumped. Yes.
Look, it's pretty deep.
It's very deep. Oh, there's a fish right there. Here we have an ibis scrounging around looking for some sort of food. Oh! Mad at each other. Back here there's some sort of mansion of some sort.
Just for like events and things like that. Which I'm sure they're not doing it.
Now on the map we got, it says that you can encounter wildlife and some could be dangerous. I hope we don't encounter dangerous wildlife, but I do hope we encounter some sort of wildlife. There's another view of the mansion place back here for events. And then I guess this is just a replica of one of the glass bottom boats. It's running from me. Here's inside that boat. Now clearly it's not a glass bottom one right now. But, oh, it's got like a menu up here, so they may use it to serve kind of like a concession. Check out this tree. Holy smokes. Wild monkeys.
Don't feed them.
There are a couple of back little pavilion areas. Now, it does have signs for alligators, and just for heads up, anywhere you go with water in Florida typically probably has alligators in it, so you're not allowed to swim over here, but you can still see how nice and clear the water is. Oh, right there's one.
Far edge.
Right, I don't know if you, right there. One just, I don't know if you can see. Right there.
There's some people that have been kayaking right over in this area. Just know, pretty much any body of water in Florida always got chance of gators.
It's a pretty good size one. Kind of see him a little better there.
Let's see what he does with it.
He's pretty long. I like this sign, says alligator, no swimming in. There he is, right there. So there for sure is alligators in here, so you don't want to swim. Good news is you can see right through the water, so if you saw one coming, you'd be able to see it. All the movies filmed. Here's one that was filmed here. I guess it was a television series. Very cool. And you can get your picture taken. They don't beat around the bush. Literally, there are alligators here, so just be careful. Don't try to feed them. Don't get close to them. So on the map, this is where we saw the alligator right here. So now we're gonna head up this way and go around this trail. Show you this real quick. One of the positives about this state park is there's really clean and nice facilities. So if you need to go to the restroom or anything, it's not gonna be a porta potty or something that just really grosses you out. So they moved all this stuff to the window so we're able to read and check it out without actually having to go in, because I think it's still closed inside. But there's an education center where you can go in and learn about the history of the area. So one of the movies they filmed here was The Creature from the Black Lagoon. Here is, I don't really know if it's just probably you can see because of reflections, replica of it. That's one of them that they did here. Over here talks about some of the first glass bottom boats. They also have little things up to the window like this. Eastern indigo snake. There it is in there. Climbing around. Let's see. Okay, so this is the Ross Island Boardwalk. You can go that way too, I guess, huh? People kayaking. The boat goes underneath here. There goes a boat. Kayakers. Doesn't appear to be very deep through here either. Bird with its big long neck going under the rock. And then there's still a lot of fish in there. Keep your eyes out. Now, something really cool about this park is it's dog friendly. So we've seen several people bring their dogs out. You can bring your dog and walk them around here. Over here, here's 14 Pavilion. Nice little shaded place to take a rest. Let's see if we can see anything. Look how blue that water is though. Very quiet. There's a turtle way over there. I doubt I can, it's gonna be blurry, but Right up on that log, right there. Do you see him? Up on that log right over there, that's coming out of the water.
Oh, yeah.
An amphitheater. I'm not sure what exactly they do, but they obviously don't have anything going on today. And then across the way, a little bit of water over there. The boardwalk is just a big loop. We went that way, all the way around, brings us here, and then that way takes us back towards the front. Here we are crossing this bridge again. There's more kayakers. Actually, a lot of kayakers. I think over there is where you can get in and out of the water. Came across this in the middle of the road. A snake. Just going off in the bushes there. I'm sure it's just a black indigo snake, but what do I know? Oh, there he is. Right back there. Brings us back towards the front here. We're gonna try this little walkway right in here. And I think that'll about do it for today. Here's another view of the spring. Birds in there. Bird over there. Okay, that does it for today at Silver Springs Park. Wow, what a day. First time out here, we got to see the normal Florida wildlife, lizards, butterflies, birds, but we also got to see an alligator, and then there at the end we got to see a snake. And this was our first time out, so got to see plenty of wildlife. It's a fun day, good weather, and if you're ever in the area, please check out the Silver Spring State Park located in Ocala. It was really fun, the water was pretty, and next time we'll come and try either the boat tour or kayaking. So that does it for today. Thanks for watching.